Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Davin Ryan Sakwil and Dewangga Iza Pamungkas. We will tell you about homonymy in English and Arabic contrastive study. Introduction. This phenomenon, homonymy, creates lexical and syntactic ambiguity in both language. It should be studied and examined. Homonymy has its own features, specification, and forms in each language. Definition of homonymy in English. Lyons define homonyms as a term used in semantic for lexical items that are identical in spelling and pronunciation but have different meaning. Examples of homonyms are lie as in you have to lie down and lie in don't lie, tell the truth. The above definition does not involve anything about homophones and homographs. In addition, it creates a problem with polysemy. On a larger scope, homonymy is defined as a word that is identical in form with another word, either in sound as a homophone or in spelling as a homograph, or both, but differs from it in meaning. For example, sail, an act or of sailing something, and sail, to travel on water. Bark, the skin of a tree, and bark, the sound of a dog. Or pitch as straw, and pitch as tar. Types of homonyms. 1. Complete, full or absolute. Those are homonyms that have the same pronunciation and the same spelling, i.e. the identity covers spoken and written forms. 2. Partial homonyms. They are those where the identity covers a single medium, as in homophony and homography. Thus, homophones and homographs are considered partial homonyms. 3. Words homonyms. These are homonyms where all the forms of paradigm and its collocational possibility are identical. Thus, one does not get any indication of their belonging to one word or the other. Such homonyms are generally found in words belonging to the same part of speech. 4. Homonyms of word forms. These are homonyms in which only few word forms are identical. Generally, the canonical forms in addition to some form are alike and some others are not identical. 5. Lexical homonyms. When the homonyms belong to the same part of speech, they are called lexicam homonyms. The difference is only in their lexical meaning. 6. Grammatical homonyms. When the difference between homonyms is not only confined to the lexical meaning but the grammatical types are also different. They are called grammatical homonyms. They are given separate entries in the dictionaries. In this case, the words have similar canonical form but different paradigm and structural patterns. Homonymy and polysemy. In semantic analysis, the theoretical distinction between homonymy and polysemy creates a problem that has captivated the attention of many linguists. Polysemy, polyseamus in Latin, is defined roughly as the existence of one lexeme with many related meanings. Homonym and pun. Pun is witticism which relies for its effect on playing with the different meanings of word, or bringing two words together with the similar form but different meaning. It is also called paronomasia. Homonymy and allonymy. Words or phrases that differ in spelling and pronunciation as well as meaning or origin are called allonyms. An example of allonyms is alligator and true. Thus, according to the definition, they are uniquely different words. This term, allonymy, is considered a fourth one in neologism. The three other being homonymy, homophony, and homography. Homographs. Palmer believe that homographs are words that are written in the same way but are pronounced differently and have different meaning. Well-known examples of homographs are lead as metal and lead as guide. Homographs and heteronyms. The term heteronym is used for words that are identical in spelling but different in pronunciation and meaning. Examples of heteronym are dove as a bird and dove as the past tense of dive. Wind as a noun of air that moves quickly, and wind as a verb to twist something. Bow as to bend, and bow as a weapon used for shooting arrows, and hundreds of others. Homophones. Many linguists agree that homophones are two or more words that sound alike but are written differently and have different meanings. Examples of homophones are true or true, sight or sight, and right, 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 right. Thus, homophones are deemed to be part of homonymy, the other part being homographs. Homonymy and ambiguity. Homonymic clash, or sometimes called homophonic clash or homonymic conflict, is a term used to refer to the ambiguity arising from homonyms because of the similarity in spelling and or enunciation. A very famous example is the sentence, "I'll meet you by the bank," which may mean "I'll meet you by the financial institution," or "I'll meet you by the riverside." Therefore, the word bank that means embankment and the word bank that means riverside are the cause behind this ambiguity. Reasons of creating homonymy. 1. Change in enunciation due to the Great English vowel shift. 2. Sometimes, an extension in the meaning of a word can lead to establishing homonymy. 3. Euphemism may cause homonymous words. For instance, the word bull may mean male bovine animal, or rabies. The second sense is a euphemism of bullshit. 4. There are differences or similarities in pronunciation that occur because of differences in dialect or varieties of a language that lead to homonyms. 5. Some homophones may be established because the word have weak form. 6. Contraction of some word like it's, your, there, and whose can be also a reason behind the creation of homonyms. 7. Homonyms may arise from zero derivation. The noun catch and work are from the homonymous verb, and noun like black and oral from the homonymous adjective. 8. In some case, abbreviation may be the reason behind the appearance of homonyms.
Definition of homonymy. Homonymy in Arabic is known as, also homonyms are called in the Holy Quran. In Philology Al-Salih, 1968-302, define homonymy as a word or a sentence that has one articulation or form and more than one meaning. For example, the word has one articulation whether it means edge or tooth, and which mean flower, precise, and thin. An instance of homonymy from the Holy Quran is, which may mean to have intercourse or say dirty word. Types of homonyms. Homonyms in Arabic can be divided into the following types. 1. Homonymic words that have two meanings. For example, part of body or unit of length. Another example is organ of body and language. 2. Homonymic words that have multiple meanings, such as word in Arabic are, that's the meaning, chapter of book, season of years, semester in school, act of play, etc. Another example is the word hole in the needle, eye of man, fountainhead, spy, etc. The word has meaning echo, extreme thirst to preserve money, etc. Also has the meaning dread, bravery, torture, power, battle. A well-known example that has more 30 meanings in the word, which may mean sin, sister, daughter, need, sadness, haughtiness, heart softness, Jacob. 3. Homonymic words that have a relation in meaning. For instance, in Arabic, the word may mean part of body and power, and the word has the meaning organ in body and unit of measurement. This kind is actually known as polysemy in English. Al-Huli, 2001, 148, and Umar. 4. Homonymic words that have no relation in meaning. The word may mean the horns of an animal or 100 years. The word, which has no relation between its meanings, that are to detest someone or to know. Another example is to save from and to fire somebody from. 5. A unique kind of homonymy in which the pronunciation is the same while the writing is different. In the example, homophony is found in Arabic. Instances of this type are to live, name of a person. Another example is in which means when, and is gold, means incline, and money. Homonyms created because of this of shift in application. Sometimes a word has a different sense according to the field of specialization it is used in. In Arabic, a word like operations may mean surgical operation, action, agency, execution, or maneuver. The word wall has the meaning cell wall, counter scrap, firewall, pier. 7. Homonyms that have identical present and past participle. The present and past participle that have rhythm in Arabic for words such as and the rhythm in words like are identical in enunciation and writing. 8. Homonyms that have same singular and plural forms. Example of these homonyms are and, as in, and. Homonymy and synonymy. Actually, homonymy is different from synonymy, although both are relation between words. Generally, homonymy is a word that has more than one meaning, whereas synonymy denotes two or more words that have approximately the same meaning. For instance, the homonymic word means either uncle or mole, to think or doubt something, or cloud. Instances of synonymous words are as in the presentation below. Antonymous homonyms. In some cases, homonyms have two antonymous meanings. Thus, such words create great problem in communication in Arabic. Consider the following example of antonymous homonyms in Arabic. You can see the example below. It is important to discriminate between antonymy and antonymous homonymy, which is one kind of antonymy in Arabic. The former occurs with two words that have opposite meanings, while the latter occurs with one word that has two reverse meanings. Reasons of creating homonymy. There are many reasons behind creating homonymous words in Arabic. There are as follows. 1. Economy. Because of the development in all fields of life, the number of word senses is more than the number of words themselves. One cannot create new word for every new sense that appears. For this reason, one adds new senses to the existing leximes. An example, the word plane exists in Arabic before the invention of the plane. It was used previously to refer to bird. After the creation of the plane, word gained its new sense. Similarly, the word car, train, and phone have gained new sense after their creation. Accordingly, homonymy is an economic method in which one can limit the number of words and enhance the number of senses. Homonymy is used deliberately for the purpose of raising ambiguity. This is related to rhetorical reasons and for having excitement in communication, for example, as in the presentation below. 3. Metaphorical reasons. Sometimes there are regional, partial, and causative reasons behind using the second meaning of the homonym. In most cases, the meaning of the homonym can be sensual and psychical, in which the sensual meaning is the original one. Examples of such homonyms are sin, wine, state of Egypt, Egyptian people, mouse, jointer of the carpenter, of mouse of computer, and etc. 4. Difference in derivation. The Arabic word is a homonym that means said from and napped from. Another example is past tense of lose and past tense of spread fragrance. As such, derivation sometimes causes homonymous word. 5. Politeness. In some cases, people use homonymic words to indicate a positive as well as a negative sense. For instance, instead of saying, it is more polite to say, in which word denotes either being sighted or blind. Here is used instead of blind. 6. Euphemisms. Euphemisms is similar to politeness but is more general in application. Politeness is personal, whilst euphemism is related to the society. The expression was earlier called, after that it was changed to, this phrase become, in which means advanced and old-fashioned. The second sense is meant in the final expression. 7. Sarcasm. Unlike the case with politeness, some homonyms are used for the sake of sarcasm. One may use the positive sense of the word to give an ironic sense. For instance, the word is sometimes used to mean the opposite of eloquent. 8. Difference in dialect. A word may mean X in the language or in a specific dialect, and the same word means Y in another dialect. In this way, the word will have two senses, X and Y. In the standard language, thus, When dictionaries were created, all the senses of the word were included in the dictionaries. Among the examples that are known of this kind of homonyms are, which may mean old woman or man, needle, ground, rabbit, lion, sea, hero, cow, ox, hunger, war, one, ten, life, sun, etc. Also, similarly, the word pain and pen in the Egyptian dialect. 9. Optimism. A word may have several meanings due to optimism. The word that basically means place of victory gains another sense that is desert. Justifying the reason behind such use is to create a sense of optimism to the person who wants to cross a desert. 10. Homonyms created due to shift in articulation when two words that are different in articulation and writing had undergone change in articulation which led to become similar in enunciation. This led to become homonyms. In Arabic, the word means either club or affluence, which affluence come from the letter of what's replaced. A well-known example of such kind of homonymy. 11. Borrowing words from another language. Borrowing words as they are that are similar to other in the original language can also cause homonymous word. For instance, borrowing the word "kalb" from Germany into Arabic leads to creating a homonym with the word dog. Another example is from Persia, which means city wall or hospitality that was used first by the Prophet. 12. Using the peculiar reference of the word in addition to its general meanings and vice versa. In Islam, especially in religious rituals, there are thousands of words that have gained their meanings throughout this way. Consider the following word. So that's all from us. Thank you.